Hello everybody, I'm back with another Knex Carnival Ride video, and tonight I'm going to show you guys how to set up my Pharaoh's Fury model. This is my absolute favorite ride. Every time I go to the carnival or the fair, it's my absolute favorite. Actually, I prefer the Sea Dragon over the Pharaoh's Fury, but it's basically the same thing. But anyway, gonna get into setting the ride up and show you how it sets up and everything. So I'm gonna get started. Gonna bring the camera a little bit closer to show you what I'm doing. Now this particular model does not rack like a real one, but I did the best I could on this scale. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take off these arm extensions for the towers. They're just clipped on top of the main tower. I'll take those off. Just put them on the floor for now. Same thing over here on this side. Okay, my arm extensions are down there. Right here, the next thing I'm going to do is unclip a couple of red connectors here, which is going to allow this to come up. Bring the camera back a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, when it gets up like this, I have to unclip this, swing it over. I'm going to let it rest right there. Well, actually, I'm going to go ahead and clip it. It's not wanting to cooperate. Okay, same thing over here on this side. Unclip it, swing it over. Clip it here. Slide my lock clips in like that. That's what we have so far. Now it's time to put the extensions on. Just going to clip here and here. This one goes over here. Actually, no, that's the wrong one. Okay, it's this one. Okay. Put this one back here. Well, wrong one again. Okay, this one. Okay. And over here, clip this one on. All right, the arm extensions are connected. do is to set up the platform, which is fairly simple. I just disconnect these. My platform is going to raise up just like this. It's going to clip right there. Slide these in a little bit like that. That's where the people would walk up and get onto the ride. All right. Now it's time to swing the swing arms over. And now I have to unlock the actual boat or ship or whatever you want to call it. I just unclip these. I'm going to raise this up a little bit so I can attach the swing arm to this side. And slide this lock rod out. Flip it back where it was. Same thing over here on this side. Unclip, raise it up, and then connect swing arm. Pull out this rod and then clip it back underneath. The final thing to do, if you notice right here, well, you can't see it there. That's right here. This is the sign that's going to go in between the swing arms. So I just unclip here, pull this out, put these back. And these are gonna, or this is gonna go right in here, like that. Excuse me. And now we have a fully set up Pharaoh's Fury. I don't have a motor for it or anything, or any type of hand crank. It just free swings. But I'll move it with my hand and show you. The real Pharaoh's Fury, at max height, it gets about that high. I'm gonna move it up onto the rug a little bit so it won't move, and see if I can get it to free swing without moving. Oh, just wanting to roll. Try that again. Now that it's on the rug, it's still gonna roll. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll take the wheels off just to demonstrate the free swing. take them off the back side. All right, now we should be able to free swing without it moving. Not very realistic looking. If I could figure out a way to put a counterweight on the top to make it swing slower, it would look better when it was, or when it's swinging, but I haven't done that. I may try to do that later. Anyway, that's the Pharaoh's Fury. I'm going to put the wheels back on. The trailer. All right. Excuse me, the wheels are back on. I'm gonna rack it back down. I'm gonna do it fairly quick. Doesn't take a whole lot of time. have it racked back down. Pharaoh's Fury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I've got more rides to come. Actually working on some more. When I get done with them, I'll be making videos on those. Got some rides that I've been wanting to try to build. One's a rock star, one is a scrambler, and a few others. They're currently in the works. I'm just trying to find the time to build them. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next videos, and thanks for watching.